Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Answers Simplified. In this video, I will be sharing answers of Viva Class 7 Social Science History Chapter 6 Religious Developments. Let us discuss the long answer type questions. First question, who were the Alvars and Nayanars? Describe their contribution to the rise of Bhakti movement. Answer, in South India, the Bhakti movement was popularized by the Alvars, who were followers of Vishnu, and Nayanars, who were followers of Shiva. They went from place to place composing beautiful poems in praise of their deities. They belonged to different castes, including the untouchables. They preached complete and selfless devotion to Shiva or Vishnu. There were 63 Nayanars and 12 Alvars who came from divergent backgrounds. The best known among the Nayanar saints are Appar, Sambandar, Sundarar and Manikavasagar. Tevaram and Tiruvakkam are two sets of compilations of their songs. Among the Alvars, Periyalvar, his daughter Andal, Thondaradi Podi Alvar and Nammalvar are the best known. Their songs were compiled in the Divya Prabandham. Question 2. Examine Guru Nanak's teachings in the context of the three principles propagated by him. Answer. Guru Nanak's teachings are remembered as Naam Japna, Kirat Karna and Vand Chakna, which mean right worship, honest living and sharing with others. These are the three main principles of Guru Nanak's teachings which influenced a large number of people. They were from all castes and primarily consisted of traders, artisans, craftsmen and agriculturalists. He started the practice of langars or common kitchens where all his followers ate together. The essence of Guru Nanak's teachings is the right to worship, the welfare of others and purity of conduct. He believed in one God and preached that true love and devotion were the only ways to gain God's blessings. Third question, write about Islam and its teachings. Answer, Islam was brought to India by Arab traders. Later, with the coming of the Turks, the Afghans and the Mughals, Islam gained popularity in India. Islam is a monotheistic religion and believes in only one God, Allah. According to Islam, Prophet Muhammad is Allah's last prophet. The Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. It is thus considered to be the holy city for Muslims, which they should visit once in their lifetime. This holy visit or pilgrimage is called Hajj. Muslim scholars developed a set of holy laws called the Sharia based on the teaching of the Quran and the Prophet Muhammad's traditions. Fourth question, Sufis emphasized love and devotion to God. In this context, explain the rise of Sufism in India. Answer, Sufis emphasized love and devotion to God and compassion towards all human beings. Sufism is a movement that arose in the Muslim world. It spread widely in the Muslim world by the 10th century. Muslim scholars developed a set of holy laws called the Sharia based on the teaching of the Quran. It contained a number of rituals and customs. The Sufi orders were of two types. One that followed the Sharia and the other that were not bound by the Sharia called the Qalandars, the wandering saints. Both these orders existed in India. The Sufis composed poems expressing their love and devotion to one God. Some of the famous Sufi saints of Central Asia were Al-Ghazali, Rumi and Sadi. Many Sufis from Central Asia came to India and settled down here during the period of the Delhi Sultanate. Question 5. What is pilgrimage? Why do people go on a pilgrimage? Describe any two pilgrimages. Answer. A pilgrimage is a journey made by a person to visit and worship a holy site. Some can be undertaken at regular intervals like the Kumbh Mela and the Hajj, which is done once a year. Even kings undertook pilgrimages in the olden days. For example, Akbar walked from Agra to the Dargah of Salim Chishti in Fatehpuri when his son was born. There are various pilgrimage sites in India which are holy to people of different religions. Prayagraj, earlier known as Allahabad, and Madurai for Hindus, Ajmer and Gulbarga for Muslims, and Amritsar for Sikhs are some important pilgrimage centers. Thank you.